Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. Today we are going to be doing the extended exhale. That is where the exhale is roughly twice as long as the inhale. This gives you a stronger shift into the parasympathetic nervous system or rest and digest mode. This can make you drowsy. So don't do this practice at any time where being drowsy would be unsafe, such as when you're operating heavy machinery or when you're in water. The extended exhale usually goes like this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that exhale can be pretty long. So if you can't do that, try an inhale of 1, 2, 3, and an exhale of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Experiment with this yourself. Find out what your capacity is, and your capacity will change over time. But start off with where you're at, with something that is comfortable and doesn't leave you with breath hunger, where you feel like you're starving for another breath. Even if that is inhale, 1, 2, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't count. I use an embodied method. I link mind to motion using the breath, Qigong or mindful movement, embodied. I'll show you that first using the counting, and then we'll ditch the counting. So the practice that I use is a gathering practice, and we inhale while we're gathering. So that may look like inhale up, exhale down. Or it may look like gathering breath, where we're gathering a precious resource, coming up, and then we come back down. So that is the physical movement. And we might inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if I ran out of breath before that, I would just drop my hands and go up for another inhale. But we're not going to do that. Just close your eyes if you feel safe. You know the movement. Just the hands come up to your head level, and then your hands float down the front of your body. And what we're going to do instead of counting is while we're exhaling through the mouth, we're going to slow that down by paying attention to the tension in the front part of the body and releasing that tension. So as our hands come down the front side of our body, we're going to focus on softening, releasing tension, and relaxing on that exhale. Diverting the mind like this, or giving the mind one thing to do like this, be relaxed and focused just on this one thing, tends to make the breath hunger less of a thing. And again, if you do have breath hunger, and again, try to avoid having the breath hunger in the first place. When you get toward the end, just end, go back up and inhale again. I am going to use gathering chi from heaven. Circling above, dropping the hands down the front side of the body. Very simple. Inhale up. Exhale and relax on the way down, extending your exhale as you focus on relaxing the body. So close your eyes if you feel safe and follow along. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax the head, the throat, the chest, the core, the front side of the body, front of the legs, everything down. Soften, release. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down, and release tension. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up and gather. Exhale down and sink and soften and release. Breathing in, breathing out. Keep going. Link your breath to your motion and to your ratio of the double exhale. Let the hands float down to your lap or to your sides. Take this with you. Use it any time you're extra anxious or stressed, but you're in a safe place where you can get drowsy. Use 3 to 5 reps for a quick reset or for rest and digest, either as a daily practice, before bed, or after meals. Do about 20 repetitions of this exercise. I hope you find this useful.